Hi, today we are going to discuss about the Playfair cipher in the network security. It was introduced by Charles Wheatstone in the year of 1854. Uh, he named that method as a Playfair. This comes under the category of a substitution cipher. This algorithm consists of two steps. First of all, we have to create a square of 5 cross 5. That is a matrix we have to create. 5 with 5 row and 5 column. We have to substitute the alphabets in that matrix, in that table, we can say. Here, since it is a 5 cross 5, we will have 25 cells. 5 row 5 columns or 25, but in alphabet we have the total alphabets are 26. So here j is omitted. If suppose we want to substitute j, instead of I we can replace that by j. I and j can be substituted in one cell. So we need a key here, the plain text. We need the inputs plain text and the key here. For example, the keyword given here is monarchy. There's the initial entries. Here this cell consists of 5 rows and 5 column. Key here is monarchy, MONARCHY. All the letters should exist only once. After filling up all this, MONARCHY, we have to fill the remaining cells with the left alphabets. We have to start with A already exists here, so we have to fill it with B. Then C already exists. C already here is there. So next letter is D. E, F, G, H already is there. Then that is left. I, J is J. Normally we leave here. Shift G, H, I, J, K, L, M. M already exists. N exists. O exists. So next letter is P. Q, R is there, so it is left. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y is there, so we leave that Z. So this is the first step. We fill this 5 cross 5 grid with the alphabet, with the unique alphabets. First, here these cells are the key which we have chosen. This is the key. And the next step is the this is the algorithm. We are going to apply the algorithm to convert this algorithm to encrypt the plain text. That is, plain text is the original message to be transmitted, and this encryption is to convert that plain text into secret form. Here the plain text chosen here we can say that we have first step is we have to divide that given text into two letters. We call that as a digraph. The original message to be transmitted is instrument. We are going to convert this instrument. So this instrument is a plain text. It should not be sent directly. So we are going to apply this Playfair mechanism to convert this into secret form. So here we group that plain text into two set of two letters. IN is a one pair and the remaining two letters, that is first IN, ST, RU, ME, NT, S. Only one letter remains at last. So if any letter remains like that, Z is to be added at last, and to make a pair we have to pair the plain text first of all. That is the first thing. And now we are going to find out this IN. So these are the pairs we have formed. There are three rules to be followed in this algorithm. According to this algorithm, we are going to substitute some other letters for these two pairs, for this pair of letters. So we are going to search for the pair here. First rule is, if a pair of letters exist in a same column, this is the column and this is the row. And if suppose first pair of letters exist in the one column, how to exchange that we will see. For example, here me is a plain text existing, and we search for me. This exists in a single column. So what we have to replace this m by c, successive letters, successive in down position, that letters is to be replaced. Instead of m we have to substitute c, instead of e we have to substitute l. This is one point. And the next one is, if suppose a pair of letters exist in a same row. For example, there is one pair st. You look for a st here in this grid. St exists successively in a same row. In such a case, S is the following letters is to be substituted. Instead of S, we have to substitute T. For T, we have to next there is no letter since it is the end. So the beginning of that leftmost character is to be taken. Instead of S, we have to substitute T, and for T, we have to substitute L. And the third one is, if suppose the pair of letter does not exist either in a row or in a column. If suppose this is the position, let us consider this nt. Nt is a pair of plain text. N exists here and T exists here. So this forms a another shape. It might be a rectangle or it might be a square. In such a case, this n is to be replaced with that end of character, or and this T is another letter plain text, it should be replaced by this corner of that. We form a square here. In this square, the corner letter should be replaced. Instead of n we have to substitute r, instead of T you have to substitute q. These are the three rules to be applied to convert this plain text into the ciphertext. And this is the way, this is the method. So here first one is we take in here the given plain text is instrument. We have formed the pair here for the plain text in st, ru, me, nt, sz. So here we are converting in as in exists here and there. So this forms a square, this rectangle. In is to be substituted by a and I is to be substituted by g. So in is converted as, I is converted as g and n is converted as a. And the next one is st. St is exists in a row. So s is to be substituted by t and t is to be substituted by l. So st is replaced as t and l. And here the next one is ru. R exists at the end of this column and u comes here, so it forms a square. So and the leftmost corner values to be substituted for this r, and the rightmost is to be substituted for this u. So for this r and u, m and z are substituted, m and z. And the next one is me. So it exists in the same column. So for the successive position of letters, for m, c is to be substituted, e, l is to be substituted. So this c and l are the secret codes for m and e. Similarly, for n and t, it forms a rectangle. The rightmost corner value should be substituted for this n, and for this t, the leftmost position letter should be substituted. And similarly, this last one is sz. So here we form a square, and the right corner, instead of s, t is to be substituted, for z, x is to be substituted. So the encrypted text is this for the original text. The given here plain text given is instruments. For that instrument, the encrypted text is this. This is the working of Playfair method.